Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's a question. What if I told you there is an animal that can cheat death? An animal that, under the right conditions, can reverse its age and become young again? It sounds like science fiction, but it is real. Meet the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, the only known animal capable of potentially living forever. Turritopsis dohrnii is a tiny jellyfish, usually less than 5 millimeters wide. Despite its small size, this remarkable creature possesses one of the most extraordinary survival abilities ever discovered in nature. It lives in oceans around the world and appears almost invisible as it drifts through the water. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary jellyfish, but hidden within its cells is a biological superpower. Most jellyfish begin life as tiny larvae. They settle on the ocean floor and develop into polyps, small tube-like organisms attached to rocks. These polyps eventually produce jellyfish that swim freely through the ocean. As adults, they reproduce, grow old, and die. That is the normal cycle of life. But Turritopsis dohrnii follows a very different path. When faced with injury, starvation, illness, or environmental stress, the immortal jellyfish can do something astonishing. Instead of dying, it transforms itself back into its juvenile stage. Its adult body collapses inward, its cells reorganize, and within days it becomes a young polyp once again. Scientists call this process transdifferentiation, a rare biological phenomenon in which one type of cell transforms into another. In simple terms, the jellyfish turns back the clock on its own life. Because it can repeatedly return to its juvenile stage, Turritopsis dohrnii is considered biologically immortal. This does not mean it cannot die. It can still be eaten by predators, affected by disease, or destroyed by environmental changes. But unlike most animals, it does not appear to have a natural limit on aging. In theory, it could repeat its life cycle indefinitely, again and again and again. The immortal jellyfish has fascinated researchers around the world. Scientists hope that understanding its unique cellular mechanisms may reveal important clues about aging, regeneration, and disease. Although humans are far more complex, studying this tiny creature could someday contribute to advances in regenerative medicine. For now, however, the secret of eternal youth remains locked within the jellyfish's extraordinary biology. In a vast ocean filled with giant predators and mysterious creatures, one of the greatest biological marvels is almost invisible. A jellyfish smaller than a fingernail, a creature capable of escaping old age, a living example that nature still holds secrets beyond our imagination. The immortal jellyfish reminds us that life can take forms stranger than fiction. While humans continue searching for the secret to a longer life, one tiny creature may have discovered it millions of years ago. The question is, will we ever unlock its secret?